So here's the newest model of the Soleil coffee grinder. It's the precision mode. So let's try it. We're using third crack coffee roasters beans because I personally like these beans because they are always freshly roasted. So let's put the beans inside the precision mode, the Soleil coffee grinder. This is our newest program actually. So it's called precision mode because you could set the specific amount of time where you could set them so you could memorize. If you want 25 seconds for espresso, then every time you turn on the grinder, just set the timer to 25 so that you can have the exact amount of beans every time you grind. So here you can see that our Soleil coffee grinder at setting around 3 or 4, it can already grind for espresso. There. So let's get our WDT2 and let's distribute the grounds, and that's it.